Get a feel for the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: satellite radio, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, front reading lamps, bucket seats, AC, ABS. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.